How do economies grow over time? Economists have two main frameworks to explain the engine of prosperity. Let's compare them. We are looking at the classic Solow model against the modern endogenous growth theory. Why do some economies plateau while others keep climbing forever? The answer lies in how we view the engine of innovation. The Solow model emphasizes saving and capital accumulation, while endogenous theory highlights research and knowledge as the primary drivers of long-term output. The Solow model is often applied when studying developing nations, where simply adding more machines leads to rapid initial gains. Endogenous growth theory is essential for modern, high-tech economies where innovation and human talent don't exhibit the same diminishing returns as factory equipment. The key takeaway is that without continuous investment in human capital, growth eventually hits a ceiling. It is a balance between building the foundation and innovating for the future. Both models offer unique insights into our global economy. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to subscribe for more economics basics.